So, Governor Charles Soludo finally fastens his seatbelt after people lashed out at him for dancing when the state is on fire. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Ebony People TV, your go-to channel for the latest news, updates, and conversation around Southeast. So, Governor Charles Soludo recently met with all the Divisional Police Officers, the DPOs across Anambra State, and made an eye-catching announcement. And in his meeting with them, he rolled out a bold initiative aimed at tackling violent crimes and keeping the state safe. It's no news that Anambra State has been the number one den for kidnapping and ritual killings in the southeast. He pledged a whopping 10 million naira reward to any police division that reports zero violent crimes in their jurisdiction for a month. Yes, 10 million naira. Now, this move has sparked a lot of conversations. From people wondering if it was necessary paying them that extra for doing their job. It's their job to ensure peace and orderliness, the safety of the people of Anambra State. Why is the governor of Anambra State going extra miles, paying extra 10 million naira for doing their job? This has been the mixed reaction from people. This move is a fresh take on fighting crime by directly incentivizing the men and women on the front lines and our police officers. Think about it. It's one thing to demand better security, but offering a tangible reward like this might just motivate the officers to go above and beyond in their duties. We all know that the security situation in Nigeria has been a tough nut to crack. Violent crimes like armed robbery, kidnapping, and banditry have put a lot of strain on law enforcement agencies. Worse still, many of our police officers have lost their lives in the line of duty. We cannot agree to this. This initiative by Governor Charles Soludo could not only boost morale, but also create a sense of healthy competition among police stations to maintain peace. But digging deeper, could this be a part of a larger strategy by Governor Charles Soludo to curb insecurity in Anambra State? Let's take a closer look. This 10 million naira incentive isn't just about the money, it's about creating a culture of accountability and performance. It's like saying, if you can secure your community, you'll be rewarded, and that could be a game changer. And in order to meet the zero violent crime target, officers will need to work more closely with the community. When trust between the police and the people improves, crime often takes a backseat. And if this initiative works in Anambra State, who is to say other states won't follow suit? This could be the beginning of a new era in crime prevention across Nigeria. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Will this strategy really work? Offering 10 million naira as an incentive is great, but some viewers might wonder if money alone is enough to tackle the root causes of violent crime. Let's be real. The Nigerian police force faces a lot of challenges: underfunding, lack of modern equipment, and sometimes even mistrust from the public. But this plan to succeed these underlying issues also need attention. Another question is whether this reward system is sustainable in the long run. Can the government continue to allocate such funds month after month? The police can't do it alone. For violent crimes to reduce significantly, there has to be a strong partnership between the police and the communities they serve. Here at Ebony People TV, we want to hear from you. Do you think this incentive is a step in the right direction, or do you feel it's just a temporary fix that doesn't address the bigger issues? Let us know in the comments. If this initiative proves successful, it could inspire other states to adopt similar strategies. Imagine if every state in Nigeria started rewarding police stations for achieving zero violent crimes. It could create a ripple effect, transforming how we approach security in the country. Governor Charles Soludo's initiative is certainly a bold move, and it shows that he is thinking outside the box, and he's not after what happened the last time. For now, let's keep our fingers crossed and hope this program brings the kind of safety and peace that the people of Anambra deserve. After all, every Nigerian deserves to feel secure in their home, workplace, and community. As always, continue to stay tuned for more updates.